Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix Roblox loading screen stuck. Restarting your PSA or PS5 can often resolve various issues, including loading problems with games or apps. This process can help clear temporary glitches or errors that might be causing Roblox or other applications to get stuck on the loading screen on your console. Turn off your PS4/PS5 completely and wait for a few seconds before turning it back on. Then try loading Roblox again. Disconnect your PlayStation via the Roblox mobile app. Open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Go to the More tab and tap on Settings. Then tap on Security. Scroll down and find the Disconnect option. Tap on it to disconnect. Go to PlayStation Settings, Security, tap on PlayStation and use the Quick Login feature. Once done, check if the loading issue persists. Make sure you are not logged in on other devices or sessions. Sometimes this can cause loading issues. Try logging out of all sessions via the Roblox mobile app. Open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Go to the More tab and tap on Settings. Then tap on Security, scroll down and tap the Log Out of All Other Sessions button. Tap on the Log Out button to confirm. You will be logged out from the BAT app and the PlayStation. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.